How to turn off animation effects on Windows 11. Turning off animation effects can improve the performance of your computer and make it feel more responsive. So let's get started. Open the Settings app. Click on Accessibility. Then click on Visual Effects. Toggle off the box next to Animation Effects. Now try to minimize, maximize or close the windows or switch between programs. See, the animation effects have been turned off. Turning off animation effects can be a good way to improve the performance and responsiveness of your computer. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider, such as some programs may not have smooth scrolling or may not show animations when you minimize or maximize windows. If you are experiencing performance issues with your computer, you may want to try turning off animation effect to see if it helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.